This is our product, the motorcycle lift stand. Here are a few models we've selected for now. The motorcycle lift stand is designed for maintenance and repairs, parking and tire removal. We recommend every motorcycle owner have one. It's super convenient and stable. For almost all models, the accessories can be customized based on your needs. This one here is the upgraded version. It supports the triple clamp hole of the motorcycle, making it even more stable than the standard version. We have a wide range of models available. If you're interested, feel free to reach out to me for more details.